Hey everyone, this is Blockchain Bernie with my latest episode introducing the Xandeum Explorer. So, we are making progress with our Xandeum blockchain. It is introducing a scalable storage layer. It's using the Solana code base, and now we have our Explorer. Here it is. All right. So if you go to explorer.xandeum.com, you will see our Explorer. It is all Xandeum branded, but it's using the Solana code base. So if you're familiar with the Solana Explorer, it looks a little bit different. That's because we're using their code base. As the network here, we only have DevNet. So there's no other networks here that Xandeum currently has because we only have our DevNet, right? But man, what a DevNet that is. We have over 50 validators there. We have a vibrant community. So it's not just the Xandeum that's running the validators there. It is our whole community. And, I thank everyone out there that's running a Xandeum validator on the Xandeum blockchain. It is awesome you guys are there, and we need that DevNet in order to build our features of the actual scalable storage layer. And as we create those features, we will ask all the validators on the Xandeum blockchain to update their validator version to the one that we are building. And that means we need the DevNet to test everything out as we build our chain. But the Explorer is already here, right? So also the Explorer will grow because we will have storage functionality in our blockchain, the scalable storage layer. So there will be new functions in the Xandeum Explorer getting built into it step by step as we speak. But it's here right now. So we see their circulating supply. It's 1.2 billion out of 1 billion max supply in the Xandeum DevNet. This is not the numbers that we will have in mainnet. It is different, right? So here it's like about 80% is circulating, and then the active stake is 7.2 million out of 1.5 billion. So not much is staked right now. That's just because it's the DevNet, and we didn't care of staking that much. We're at slot over 8 million, right? So what does that mean? It means that when we created the Genesis block of the Xandeum blockchain, and we've been running it for some time now, they were over 8 million slots already. So our DevNet is resilient, right? And we have a slot time of 397 milliseconds. That's a little bit faster than the 400 milliseconds. We're at epoch 31 already. This epoch has a 91% progress, so it's only 4 hours left. And you can see the transaction count, the live transaction count here. And isn't that awesome to watch here how fast these transactions walk through? We're doing 119 transactions per second here, most of which on our DevNet as we speak are obviously vote transactions, right? Because we don't have a lot of apps running on our DevNet yet. This will change because we will be building the new functionality, and we will build test apps and demo apps to test everything out. So we will drive up the transactions per second, but we're already doing 120 or so per second, which is faster than many other L1s out there can do. And we're doing that, each and every second, each and every slot. The average ping time, we have validators all over the world. We have them in Asia, we have them in Australia, we have a lot in the US, we have a lot in Europe. And you see the average ping time here is just over a second, 1.2 seconds or so, which is also great given the fact that these validators are all over the world. So yeah, this is really cool. What else can we do with the validator? We can enter, for example, an account here. So this account is one of my validators that I personally run on the Xandeum DevNet. So with this account here, we can look into that account, right? And the Explorer will give us, okay, this is the account address. The balance in Zand is 84 point something Zand. We have our own currency symbol here. It's an X with a strike through. 84 Zand, and it's owned by the system program, which means it's a wallet address, right? And we see transactions here going through. So those are all the vote transactions. I can click on one of the transactions here. I see when it happened, the timestamp, it's finalized, it has the max confirmations, what slot is it in, it has a recent block hash and everything, the compute units consumed, and then there's the addresses here that were involved, and which one was the fee payer, the signer, and we see the instruction and all the data that went into the instruction. In this case, it was some JSON data, and we see everything here in the Explorer, right? So I feel that is awesome. We have a real blockchain. We have a real Explorer. We can view everything, inspect the ledger with the Explorer that we have. So everything is there. So we're starting from that Solana block code base and adding our eggs storage layer. That's the signature feature of the Xandeum blockchain, the scalable storage layer. It is about having Solana not only scalable by transactions and code and compute and everything, but also a scalable storage layer. We're super excited to build that. And our base DevNet is there. We have the Explorer. We have all the necessary tooling. And we are building the storage functionality as we speak. And I'm so excited to keep you up to date on this channel about the progress that we're making there, right? So thanks so much for watching for today. Don't forget to give me that like button. It's really important for the YouTube algorithm. If you're new to Xandeum, just go to xandeum.com, link in the description, and join our Discord, right? So when you go to xandeum.com, you see it right here, xandeum.com, and there is that, you can't miss it. Click to join our Discord server. Do that so that you can talk to us, talk to myself also on our Discord, but you can also communicate with us through the comment section right under this video. So for now, thanks so much for watching, and catch you guys later. Bye.